thought, wow, so the bottle of water equal like 6 lira. What about the ekmek?
No,
Ekmek. What about the bread? Sorry.
it's 150. 150 for
Really?
ekmek.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, homemade and very delicious.
Okay.
And we used to eat it in celebrations, like in
Like
I don't know, like Eid, Bayram.
bayram.
Bayram. Sometimes I forget in English, so maybe my Turkish helped me.
I didn't know you spoke so much Turkish, actually.
The color of prayer.
Yeah, so pretty.
Also, there in Istanbul, I heard many times about the call of prayer. Actually, the mosque there are very huge there and very
Yeah,
good, and everywhere you
yeah,
can hear the call of prayer.
yeah, yeah. It's really nice here. Okay.
Yeah. So
All right. Yeah.
in Istanbul, the call of prayer right now. Can you hear it from your apartment?
I normally can actually, but I don't hear it right now. Do we
Uh-huh.
not have it at the same time? But
Yes.
right now it's not.
Maybe minutes difference between our
It could be.
countries.
Yeah, it could be minutes. What time
Y-
is it? It's 12:09. Huh.
Yeah, exactly. The same here.
I don't
The same, yeah, the
know.
same here. So,
Yeah. Mm.
are you plan to stay in Istanbul for a while, or?
I guess I'm gonna be here for at least another 9 months because I paid rent. I paid like for 1 year upfront.
Uh-huh.
So I have to. And plus I bought all this furniture and I'm looking to invest in real estate. So until that is like finalized, I'm here. So hopefully everything will be done in like the next 9 months. And then I'll probably go back home.
Uh-huh.
Maybe. I don't know.
So do you have an apartment or a house in New York?
In New York, my sister and I are we're in an apartment right now.
Uh-huh. You live
Yeah.
there with your sisters. They are
Yeah.
in New York. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, in Turkey, I think there is a lockdown until the Christmas Eve.
Yeah. Uh, for New Year's, not Christmas, for New Year's, we have 4 days lockdown where you can't go anywhere.
Yeah, that's
You don't have
real.
it? You guys
No,
can go wherever you want? Oh,
I don't know. Maybe the government declared that before Christmas Eve 4 days before.
yeah, but you know what? Like, you know why we have to do this right now? We have to have
Yeah.
restrictions because we're number 6 in the world right now. We have like 25,000, 30,000 new cases per day.
Oh.
So, and we're sixth place.
Yeah, my father-in-law just came a couple weeks ago from Istanbul, and
Okay.
he had the test COVID-19 there in Turkey, and come here in Iraq, and maybe he will like go to Istanbul in the next week.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, so he went to Iraq for a vacation and now he's going to come back to, okay.
to Istanbul. So
Okay.
it's necessary to have like a test.
Really? When you're traveling out of the country, it's necessary to
It's
get the.
necessary. It's necessary to go for Istanbul or or to back to Iraq. The vice versa.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Is that specific to your country? Because I didn't have to get tested when I came here.
Really? Because like
Yeah.
in America, they didn't test you.
No, they didn't test me, but I still remember I quarantined when I came here for like 9 days. I quarantined.
The government quarantined you, or
No,
you quarantined yourself?
Yeah. I voluntarily quarantined because I needed to see my grandmother and stuff, and she's like really old, and I didn't want to kill her. So,
So you isolated yourself just in case.
Yeah, just in case.
Yeah. After like 14 days, visit your family.
Yeah, I quarantined for 9 days because I was told that was sufficient. So, and then I saw my grandmother and my cousins.
Yeah, it's necessary. It's necessary because you came from from America, so there is a huge number there of cases.
Right.
So you have to think twice before you visit your cousins.
Plus, you're sitting on an airplane for 10 hours, and you don't know who's sick and who's not. But
I
mean, we had our masks on, but still.
Wow. You wore a mask for 10 hours?
I wore a mask for 17 hours because from when I left, I didn't drive, so I took an Uber. So from my house to the airport, the entire time in the airport, the entire time in the airplane, and then the taxi ride to where I was staying.
So how many hours took you from your apartment to the airport?
From my apartment in New York?
To the airport. Yeah.
Like 30 minutes? I'm not far. I spent a lot of time at the airport, here and there. So because I had a lot of luggages, so I spent a lot of time. I think I spent like 3 hours in the airport there, and then like 3 hours here, and then the taxi rides. Yeah, 17 hours.
Yeah, and yeah. Did you see the new airport in Istanbul?
Yeah, it's a little.
It's really fancy.
It's huge, but it's so clean. Did you see?
Sorry?
Did you see it? Have you been?
I in 2000, maybe in 2019, I guess. Yeah, maybe in 2019 I visited Istanbul, and it was very very clean, and I can pronounce the architect.
Oh, the architecture.
The architecture.
Architecture.
Architecture. Yeah, I liked the ceiling. When I saw the ceiling, I walked, and my hand high to the ceilings, and I still walking, and I hit someone.
You walked into somebody.
And I actually asked the policeman to exit door, because actually I lost there in the airport, because it's very big.
Yeah, because you keep walking and walking, and you think you're going the wrong way because it won't end. So I keep following the signs. I'm like, but why am I not there yet? And it literally takes like a half hour just to walk out from the gate until like the exit. But it's too big. I don't know why why is it necessary to have such a large airport?
Because Istanbul, it's a big spot for vacations, and grasp many people from all around the world. And,
okay, but a person gets tired. Okay. We're human beings, and we're on an airplane for like 10 hours, and then you have to do all that walking.
Maybe they will think about that. They will put like mini cars.
They do. They have the golf cart
in the airport.
Yeah.
Especially for those who cannot walk, or for the old men.
Yeah. Or women.
Yes, it's necessary for that. Yeah.
It's nice though. It's clean. I like that.
The dollars, it's going very high. Like lira. I can't tell the lira reached maybe 1,000 lira. Like $100 reached 1,000 lira, or almost
$1 is almost 8 lira.
8 lira.
8 lira.
Okay. Okay, okay, 100, okay, $100 equal how many in lira?
$100 equals almost 800 lira.
$800. So in
Like
like
700
three,
something right now.
yeah, 3 years ago, I was exchanged the $100 in Istanbul, about like 300 lira, just
Yeah,
300
I
lira.
know.
So
Yeah.
the bottle of the water at that time, maybe about 1 lira. Nowadays, I heard like that the bottle of the lira equal like 6 lira.
A bottle of water? I don't know. No, not 6 lira. It's still one or
Not
one.
not the big bottle,
The
the
small,
small
the
the small
500
one.
milliliters, right? No,
Yeah, yeah.
it's either 1 lira or
1 point,
150.
maybe.
Maybe
It's
150.
still.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh-huh.
Definitely, because look, the
Mm.
big one, for 5 liter bottle, I paid, I think, 4 lira or 5 lira, four and a
Uh-huh.
half lira for a big
They
one.
are wrong. They are wrong
Oh,
because people saying everything. Sometimes what do you call it? Maybe rumors. Am
rumors,
I
they're
right?
spreading
Yeah,
rumors.
yeah, yeah.
Stop,
Rumors.
people.
Yeah, yeah. Because I thought, wow. So the bottle of water equal like 6 lira. What about the ekmek?
No,
Ekmek. What about the bread? Sorry.
it's 150. 150 for ekmek.
Really? Really?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Wait, what?
Do you like ekmek and kaymak?
Oh, with a little honey, I love it.
Wow. So I wonder whether there in New York, do you have guys like their ekmek there in New York
Yeah,
or
I
in the
like
whole
it.
America?
I like it there too, but they don't I mean, we don't really have kaymak. Or if we do, I've never seen it. Like kaymak in Turkey
Uh-huh.
is good.
Yeah, 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 it's good, but you will change your mind after you taste the Iraqi kaymak here. It's
Really?
real yeah, real kaymak, and your kaymak it's made by factories, but here in Iraq, no,
They
it's
really
like
churn it. Yeah.
yeah, homemade
Yeah.
and very delicious.
Okay.
And we used to eat it in celebrations, like in
Like
I
Eid.
don't know, call like eat bayram.
Bayram.
Byron. Sometimes I forget in English, so maybe my Turkish helped me.
I didn't know you spoke so much Turkish actually.
Because I've been like more than 10 times in
I know,
Istanbul,
yeah,
so
you told
I
me.
have to I have to deal with this. Maybe I will like after English language, I will practice on my Turkish language.
Okay.
Yeah, but unfortunately, Turkish language it's only the country Turkey. It's the only country that speak in Turkish. So I will get
No,
benefit from
no,
maybe
that's not true.
Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan, it's a Turkic language. So in
Yeah.
Turkey, it's Turkish because the country is called Turkey, but it's Azerbaijan. There are a whole bunch of other countries that have a Turkic language where they speak Turkic.
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
Yeah,
So, but you can survive if you've been in Azerbaijan,
yeah, you can.
and the Azerbaijanis people they can survive if
Yeah,
been there in Turkey.
yeah. I know some. I actually one girl that I'm kind of close to. Like she speaks like it's almost identical to Turkish. Turkish.
Turkish. So, what other countries speak Turkish?
I'm drawing a blank right now. I was thinking about it and I was like, wait, I just had this conversation with somebody like 2 days ago and I was like, this country, this
Yeah.
country. We all have like a Turkic language, you know?
So,
Like
so
it's
maybe
similar.
maybe
It's not the
maybe
same.
maybe more than 2 or 3 countries or
Yeah,
above that number.
yeah, more than 2 or 3 countries. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna
So
Google it again. I'm gonna send it to you. But I
uh-huh.
was gonna ask you more questions about Iraq. Anyway,
Yeah, go ahead.
it's over.